Hey there, friends! Are you ready to make your home extra cozy and stylish for the winter season? Today, I'm bringing you some of the most amazing IKEA finds that will totally transform your space. From warm, inviting lighting to beautiful decor pieces that scream winter vibes, I'm so excited to show you all the perfect upgrades for your home. Trust me, you're going to love these products. And guess what? The links to every single item are down in the description below, so you can easily shop for all these beautiful pieces and make your home shine. Let's get started and make your home the coziest place to be. Are you ready for the ultimate holiday comfort? The STRANDMON wing chair is here to wrap you in its cozy embrace. With its high back, rounded armrests, and soft, inviting lines, it's the perfect spot to relax during the festive season. Whether you're curled up with a good book or sipping hot cocoa, this chair makes every moment feel special. Let's light up your holiday magic with the SILVERPÄRON Candlestick. This stunning piece is inspired by nature, featuring graceful curves that mimic slender flower stems. It's not just a candlestick, it's a Scandinavian design masterpiece. What's a festive gathering without a stunning centerpiece for your drinks? The FRÖJDA Carafe brings timeless elegance to your holiday table. Its clear, faceted glass design isn't just beautiful, it's a statement of style and sophistication. Raise a toast to the holiday season with the FRÖJDA wine glass. Its elegant faceted design makes it perfect for everything, from fine wines to sparkling water. These glasses aren't just functional, they're a showstopper on your table. Looking for something versatile yet stylish? The 14-ounce FRÖJDA glass has you covered. Its tall, straight design is perfect for cold drinks with lots of ice or even a creative layered dessert. Sometimes it's the little things that make the biggest impact. The FRÖJDA 10-ounce glass might be small, but it packs a huge punch when it comes to style and functionality. Perfect for drinks like eggnog, juice, or even your favorite holiday treats. The perfect way to set the stage for your holiday dinners. The VINTERFINT tablecloth, with its cheerful berry pattern and deep red tones, adds an instant festive touch to any table. Whether you're hosting a grand feast or a cozy family dinner, this tablecloth creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. It's not just a table covering, it's a statement piece that ties your decor together and makes your holiday meals even more special. Your guests won't stop raving about your table's festive charm. Who doesn't love a little sparkle? The Strolla LED string lights are the ultimate holiday decor essential. These battery-operated golden star lights bring a warm, magical glow to any space, no outlets required. Drape them on your Christmas tree, wrap them around a wreath, or use them to frame a mirror or window. Their soft light creates an enchanting atmosphere that instantly feels like Christmas. The Oskarshamn wing chair and ottoman set is a dream come true for anyone looking to relax in style. With its timeless red upholstery and soft, rounded design, this set is a showstopper in any room. The chair's high back, supportive springs, and foam cushions offer superior comfort, whether you're curled up with a book or chatting with guests. And let's talk about the ottoman. It's not just a footrest, it's a hidden storage solution for blankets, books, or anything you want to keep handy. Make your tree the star of the show. The VINTERFINT rattan Christmas tree skirt gives your tree a polished, professional look while keeping unsightly bases out of sight. Its natural rattan texture adds warmth and elegance to your decor, perfectly complementing traditional or modern styles. This isn't just a tree accessory, it's the detail that takes your Christmas decor to the next level. Snuggle up in style this holiday season. The VINTERFINT throw combines cozy comfort with a beautiful floral design that's perfect for Christmas. Made from a soft wool and cotton blend, this throw is ideal for chilly winter nights or adding a touch of holiday charm to your sofa or bed. Add a festive touch to your sofa with the VINTERFINT cushion cover. Its colorful embroidery and playful tassels are inspired by traditional Swedish arts and crafts, giving your decor a cheerful, handcrafted vibe. The black fabric provides the perfect backdrop for the vibrant design, making it a standout piece for the holidays. With a hidden zipper for easy removal, this cushion cover is as practical as it is beautiful. It's the ultimate way to bring festive joy to your living room. Ready for Santa? The VINTERFINT Christmas stocking is a chic and modern twist on a holiday classic. Its sleek black fabric pairs effortlessly with any decor, while the generous size ensures plenty of room for gifts and treats. Elevate your serving style. The VINTERFINT bowl features a stunning floral pattern in a rich dark gray finish, making it perfect for everything from holiday snacks to breakfast cereal. Its timeless design and versatile size make it a piece you use again and again, whether for special occasions or everyday meals. It's an easy way to add elegance to your table. Make every meal special. The VINTERFINT side plate is perfect for appetizers, desserts, or side dishes, adding a touch of sophistication to your table setting. The intricate floral design and elegant dark gray tone make it a piece that shines during holiday feasts and casual dinners alike. Pair it with other VINTERFINT tableware to create a coordinated and festive look. The VINTERFINT mug is your new favorite way to enjoy your morning coffee, tea, or hot cocoa. Its elegant floral design and rich dark gray color make every sip feel extra special. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet moment, this mug brings beauty and warmth to your holidays. Bake your heart out. The VINTERFINT pie plate is here to make your holiday desserts the star of the table. Its vibrant red color is perfect for Christmas, and its durable design ensures it's as practical as it is beautiful. The VINTERFINT spatula set combines style and function to make holiday cooking a breeze. The bamboo handles are sturdy and durable, while the silicone tips are soft and flexible, perfect for scraping bowls, spreading batter, or flipping pancakes. The cheerful red accents add a festive flair to your kitchen, making these spatulas as fun as they are functional. Bring the magic home. The Strolla ceramic house is a charming decoration that adds warmth and whimsy to any space. When lit, its battery-operated LED light creates a cozy glow that shines through the tiny windows, making it feel like a fairy tale cottage. Place it on a mantel, shelf, or table for an instant touch of holiday magic. It's the perfect piece to complete your festive decor. And make your home the coziest place to be. Bring Scandinavian charm right into your home. The Strolla lampshade is so much more than just a light fixture. It's a statement piece. With its delicate dot pattern and traditional design inspired by carved wood, it adds a touch of Nordic magic to any room. The punched dots let the light shine through in the most enchanting way. Wasn't that just incredible? I can't believe how many gorgeous winter finds we went through today. Each piece is so thoughtful and perfect for creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere in your home during the colder months. Whether you're looking for elegant lighting, cozy throws, or some festive touches, there's something for everyone. Remember, you can grab all these products by checking out the links in the description below. It's all so easy to shop. I hope you found some new favorites and that these pieces help make your home feel even more cozy, warm, and stylish this winter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.